Yun know, kumusta po kayo? Ako nga pala si Tol Jepoy. Simpleng tao na nangangarap at nagbabaka sakali dito sa platform na to. Baka sakaling swertehin para sa pamilya ko. Siyempre, in return, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga inspirational contents. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang magiging progress kung sakaling swertehin kami dito. Let's go!
Kayo lahat, ayos ba tayo dyan? Si Boy Jepoy na naman ang nagbabalik. Ikaw naman. No. You should do the intro first. You should do the intro first. What I did, just what I did.
Ang bilis eh.
Oh, you can do it. Even if it's not that fast. Come on, do it. Come on, go ahead.
I-post mo muna kasi
No.
post muna tayo.
No, you do it now. Come on. What's up mga Jeprox?
Stop mga Jeff.
Kumusta po kayong lahat?
Kamusta po? Kamusta kayo lahat?
Ayos ba tayo dyan?
Ayos ba tayo dyan?
It's your boy Jepoy na naman nagbabalik.
Boy Jepoy naman nagbabalik.
But this time you're gonna say your name. It's your girl Kesha na naman nagbabalik.
It's your girl Kesha.
Na naman nagbabalik. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, go. What's up mga Jeprox? Like this, oh. Jeprox. Yan. Like this. It's letter D sign. Jeprox. Ang lahat.
What's up mga Jeprox?
Kumusta po kayo?
Lahat.
Ayos na tayo dyan. It's your girl
Kesha
na naman.
nagbabalik.
Yun. Oh, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
What's up mga Jeprox?
Kumusta po kayong lahat? Ulit.
What's up mga Jeprox? Kamusta po kayo dyan? Ayos na ba tayo?
It's your girl, Kesha.
It's your girl Kesha nagbabalik.
Yan. You should not be shy. Okay, you should you should practice that if you want to vlog this time. You should always do that every single vlog, okay?
Okay.
You should practice, you should practice that even there is no camera. Okay. What you want to do now? Bakit gusto mo mag-vlog?
I'm gonna introduce you to my plushies.
Louder
I'm gonna introduce you to my plushies right here.
and more energy. I want it more energy.
I'm gonna introduce you to my plushies right here.
That's great. Okay.
And this
Where are
one.
those? Let me see.
Do not show them yet. Do not show
Show
them.
them yet. Okay.
This one is my Kuromis.
Okay.
This one is the fluffy one right here, and then there's another one.
What's the name of this one?
Hello Kitty.
Hello.
And this one.
Okay.
And then this is my Kuchi Pachi.
Ichipachi. It's so cute. Okay.
This one. Squishmallow. Mine is.
Where did you get that squishmallow?
I think I gave it to me.
Really?
Yes.
I thought we bought that in McDonald's. Is that from McDonald's also? It's from McDonald's? Am I correct?
And then my favorite ones are
Ta-da!
and Gray.
Well, I think this one is sleepy. Look.
Yeah. This one is sweetie.
Sit, alibang-bang. Sit, alibang. Do you know that sit, alibang-bang? Oh, I will show you later.
Okay.
Okay. On the edits, I will show you.
And
Okay,
these
sit, alibang-bang.
Do not make fun of Gray.
Okay. So,
These are my favorites because I
Oh.
love Sprocky.
why are they your favorite?
Because I'm a big fan.
You're a big fan of those? I don't
And
even
you?
know them.
This is Wanda and Gray. This
Wanda
is
and Gray.
Wanda and Gray.
Where did you saw them?
Shopee.
No, not from Shopee. Where did you saw them? Why those dolls make you as your fan? As
Because
their fan?
I saw them in the game.
Game. Oh, okay.
Then and then then they can make music.
This one looks weird. Oh. This one looks sleepy and this one looks bangag. Bangag. Me.
Ito.
Looks bangag. This one is so sleepy. This one looks like bangag. Bangag.
Ano naman?
Mm. Okay, go. Mm.
Tsaka nakita ko sila doon sa...
Chanak? What did you say? What did you just said? Chaka. Chanak.
Tsaka,
Oh, okay, go.
ang mga paborito ko dito.
Yung
Tsaka
paborito mo.
nakita ko yung doon sa laro.
Mm.
Frankie.
Okay.
Kaya nakita ko sila. Tsaka nakita ko sila din sa Shopee. Parang nagustuhan ko.
Mm. How much did you buy them? Who bought you those dolls?
Mommy, Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. Okay. Mm. Let's continue. Oh.
And
Mm. Anything else?
And I'm a great artist, and then sometimes I draw this and this.
Do you want to show it to us?
Oh, thank you. It's all dark.
Oh, okay.
It's at the door. It's at the door.
Mm.
There.
Oh,
Do you
is
want
that
me to
it?
show it to you?
Is that it?
Do you want me to show it to you guys?
Go. Oh,
These are my drawings.
oh.
This is Pinky. This is Wanda. Like this one.
Ah,
This is this one.
okay.
This is a bunny. This one is a cat.
Okay. Again,
I'm actually a great artist. I always practice.
you always practice.
Now I'm ready to create this.
Those things are really nice.
You know?
But you should clean our door after that, okay?
Yes.
Tomorrow you're gonna clean that.
I'm pretty cute. Wait, I forgot something. Sir Bonnet sale.
Okay. Really nice. Okay. Anything?
And these are my old plushies.
Oh, ang dami pa oh. Ito guys, kung natatandaan nyo, ito yung dati kong binablog na yung mga isda ko. Ngayon ito na lang sila ngayon. Puro mga flashes na ni Kesha. Kasi simula nung ako nag-grab
Namiss ko na
na
yung
masada.
namiss ko na yung mga isda ko.
Kaso if mag-alaga tayo ulit ng isda, oh.
Wala na tayong
Tsaka I don't have much time to do it na kasi simula nung ako na masada sa Grab, I got so busy na I don't have much time to vlog na. No more time for editing videos, no more time for such. Kaya ayun
And guys,
natigil na tayo sa pag-alaga ng isda. Which is yung kung natatandaan nyo dati, sinabi ko nung yun yung yung stress reliever ko siya dati. Ngayon wala na tayong stress reliever, kaya tingnan mo yung nangyari sa mukha ko.
can you let me speak?
Basag na. Go.
Actually, I'm now grade 4.
Wow.
Grade 4 ka na. The last time I vlogged, you were just like, I think you were just like grade 1.
Or grade 2.
Grade 2.
Or
Tagal na nun.
I miss being like 5. I miss being like 5.
Bakit?
Because when I'm 5, I get to see my friend, Clyde. But now, I cannot.
It's
She's at
okay.
her home. She moved to another house.
It's okay. You have a lot of friends naman in the
local. I get to see them in Saturday.
So just always pray na someday you're gonna have a playmate here in our place, but or better yet, diba? Malay mo,
Noong kalaro eh.
wala kang kalaro. Kaya nga, when we go to local, meron ka na kalaro.
Sa Saturday.
No, on Thursday. Wednesday rather.
Kaya bawal na si Ariel doon.
Okay. Bakit?
Wala, sabi ko.
Baka wala. Eh di, pray to God na He's gonna be there so we can play with Him.
Lagi na ba ako Kaya wala akong pasok bukas. Kasi meron bagyo.
Hindi, kalaro mo si Daddy. Diba? You just played late there, diba? Kanina.
And then we draw right there. And make me solve mathematics. And thanks for your help, Dad.
You learn a lot.
Thank you,
You
Dad.
learn?
Yeah, you're like a teacher.
No.
You're like a teacher.
I just taught you what I learned. What I used to learn when I was in grade 3. Am I a good teacher?
Yes.
But I don't like to be a teacher.
I wish you can be my teacher at grade 5.
Let's see. If I'm not that easy.
I wish you're my teacher at grade 5. So you can see my classmates are bullying me.
No. Of course not. It's not gonna happen. I mean, I cannot be your teacher because that's not my profession.
Your profession is driving.
Yes. I am a professional driver.
The way you say that is so funny.
But that's true. That's the real thing. But that's for real, diba? I am a professional driver.
Look, they're now sleeping.
Yeah, always sleeping. Okay, so is there anything else? Do you want to wrap it up? Okay, so that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe. That's it for this video. God bless and
And peace.